I'm doing a walk around video. I think this is called St. Peter's in Bexhill, Old Town. Yes, there is an old town in Bexhill. It's not all retirement community. There's been a settlement here, I think, since about the Saxon times. So I'm just going to do a walk around video of this. I think there's a place called the Manor Barn as well, which I want to do. So I'm just going to so this is St. Peter's. I'm going to do a walk around video of this. There's probably a service going on, but I just don't find services very uplifting, if I'm honest with you. There's a yew tree. It's always one of those. Blowing a bit of a hoolie. It's a bit windy today, to be honest with you. Check that out. There's like an extension. How come Peasmarsh Church never has one of these? Just go around this extension. I might have to. Oh, I've found another part of the churchyard. Go down these steps. They have blended this extension in rather well, though. Pretty good, actually. It seems they got scaffolding up today. We go around here. There's all the. It's kind of restful, but kind of creepy. Churchyard. Duck behind this. It's not the best day to be videoing this, it's quite windy. It's likely to affect the sound, so I will apologise for the sound quality at this point.